Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be updating you on my DIY farmhouse flooring upgrade video, and this is 2 months later. I've had a couple different accidents happen, and this is one of them. My dishwasher was leaking water all over the floor. After getting it mopped up and dried, I didn't see any damage or lifting from all the excessive water, so I was really happy with that. I don't know if this happens to you guys, and maybe it's just the way my fridge is shaped, but I had a brand new jar of strawberry jelly just fall out of the fridge and crack onto the floor. I thought for sure it was going to ruin it because of how heavy the actual full jar is, but the only thing I noticed was this little white spot of pattern that scraped off of the floor when it broke. I usually mop my floor twice a week, sometimes a little more often if I have something like a jar of jelly break on the floor or my dishwasher just spits water everywhere. Of course, I'm gonna mop up that mess. I'm gonna fill this bucket with some hot water, and then I will be adding some of this awesome cleaner to it. I buy this at the Dollar Tree, and recently I have switched to using this to mop my floors because I can also use this to fill my carpet cleaning machine for when I shampoo my carpets, so it's doing double duty here. I also get a lot of questions about the mop I use. It's a sponge mop. This I found at Target for $11.59, and I found the refill heads at Walmart for about $5.50. I've had my mop for several years now, and I just buy a new head every time the head wears out. Now, I haven't noticed any peeling or raising or bubbling or anything of that sort with the floor itself in these first 2 months. Now, another thing that I do is I also use a Resolve carpet shampoo to wash the edges of my carpet where it's harder for my carpet shampooer to get. And I haven't noticed any lifting or peeling or anything around this edge that I scrub with a bristle brush either. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more update videos like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I will know to make more just like this one.